Hello everyone, welcome back on a new day. On a new trading session all together with the storm that we are expecting today at 2:15. High impact news. At 4 p.m. we have another high impact news. We have PMI, we have Joel's jobs opening, which can impact the market today crazy. So we try to make our move even before this market is going to open, and we instantly are going to dive into the markets, people, to see what is going on. Let's go inside the daily time frame and mark out our levels. So we can leave this open here with the all-time high. Let us clean a little bit up. So the previous high and low, we can clean this and we can mark out this level here. This is the previous high, and currently we are breaking through this level. Really interesting to see, guys. We are still above this trend line that we have in the daily time frame, but with the first indication for some bearish move here. It's still not confirmed. It's just a little pullback for now, but we need to see because of the news and also because of Venezuela. Because if the US really have now the access to all the oil barrels, they can eliminate some of their inflation in the US, which can lead to better prices and which can be really strong for the currency USD. What is gonna be the size? What is gonna be the SO size today? Do you know this already? Just for me to calculate risk, SL size. No, I cannot calculate the risk now because I'm looking first where we have our entry. So most of the time you see here on the right side, okay, when this is for example at 450, then you can put your stop loss always 5 big points, like 4.445, for example. Yeah, when I'm making, for example, here a buy, this is what I'm aiming for almost every time when we have 450, as you can see here in the gray area. This is the stop loss I mostly want to aim for. Okay, it's looking little, but because we are in the 1 hour time frame, in the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame, it's looking actually like this. This is mostly what I want to see. Okay, it's this size here in the stop loss. Sometimes we have to go a little bit wider, but this is the size I want to start off with. So no distraction, 4 hour time frame. Let's check out. Let's don't miss any opportunity here. 1 hour, in the 1 hour time frame, we slipped through this trend line here, which is great, with some down pushes. 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour is going to close actually in 2 minutes. Let's see how the next candle is going to react, because we are dipping inside this zone here, which previously led to an up push with a nice touch in the 30-minute time frame on this beautiful EMA indicator. And currently we are below the previous low of the daily candle. 50-minute candle is getting also crazy pushed. 5 minutes with a nice order block with a blocker and pushing further down. Okay, for now it's risky for us to continue with this move, with the sell move, because we are about to open the new 1 hour candle. So what we are going to do, we are marking out zones of interests for us, okay? Because we are breaking this level currently. We can delete this. The next level will be down here, where we had this nice reaction on it, okay? And then we are going to look left. So the next level we have here with this nice push. And then we have another level down here. These are the levels, the point of interests for me, you know, where we have aggressive buyers. Are we gonna be millionaires tonight? Man, I wish it would be that easy. I wish it would be that easy. So let's see. The last 10 seconds. Fill the gap with news. Looking villas from Cyprus. So 1 hour candle open. Let's check the other 1 hour candle. The previously one closed really strong bearish, guys. Really strong bearish. So the daily candle is strong bearish here. Seems like they want to continue with the bearish move today. So maybe we are looking for sells. Let's check out these moves. We can see clear bearish move from multiple sessions. We have the Sydney session together with the Tokyo session. They went bearish, okay? Then made a little pullback to the 15% mark. Looks like this for now. Let's check it out. If it is the 50% mark, yes, it is the 50% mark. As you can see here with the Fibonacci tool, this is the 50% mark of this move that we made. Previously touched the zone here and dipped into the 50% mark with a nice pullback, and London went bearish too. So what is going to be important for us is the New York session also, which is going to open in 1 hour, to see what's their plan. But for now, we are strong bearish. We have many bearish indications here. I'm going to clean a little bit up here. So, current zone, we have this zone here. That can be interesting for us today. As you can see. Then we have this zone here. Let's measure out this size. Maybe we are going to squeeze in a little bit here. We have the 50% mark. The previous candle dipped inside this mark in the lower level and got rejected. So there's a good chance that we are going sideways now a little bit. Fact is that we break this level here. We broke this level. So how you doing, guys? I hope you're doing good. I hope you had the good start of the day. Let's make some money. Let's make some money today. Let's make some cash today, guys. maybe want to close the gap around 4330 250. Possible. I'm already short. Got it, bro. Then you had maybe a really good entry, like maybe up here. But for me, entering the market now short will be a little bit too risky. The only level I had that can protect me will be this mid-range here. So I'm not going to enter the market. But put SL break even. Great, my brother. Good job. Always reduce risk, guys. As soon as you are good in profit, take some partials and then just go risk-free. Make your mind free. You know, risk-free means mind-free. Risk-free means mind-free. No emotions, no worries, no anything. You don't give a fuck. As soon as you have already your partials, take it. What you can do is also manage your risk further down. I mean the break-even. You can trail your break-even further down. You know, for example, there's a lot of strategies, guys. It's depending on the market speed. When we are, for example, here in a short position, okay, we are already here. You can put stop loss down, and then you can start, for example, to take your break even further down, so you are deep in profits. You know what I mean? More and more, deeper down. This is also a point which is really interesting to trade. Most people, but many people using this strategy. No stop losses today, okay? Are you crazy? Okay, let's put off the stop losses. No, man, I cannot do this. No stop losses. Okay, no stop losses, then also no profit targets. We are now some long-term traders. We're going to trade for the next years, just with one position. So the market is start to slowing down here. As you can see, we have this bearish moves, but where are the sellers now? You see this? I am expecting that they at least crack this level or dipping deeper in it, and then get a reaction from the buyers. Let's see. No, I meant no hitting stop losses today. Okay, boss. Okay, I try my best, okay? And even if we hit stop losses, man, this is part of the business. It's a business of probabilities. I cannot control the markets. I just make decisions to take the most best entries I can. There's nothing better than a tea in the morning, man. For me, morning is at 12. I'm sleeping so much these days, guys. So much working. Too much working. So, you can see here's a level forming. We can mark out here with this little... But we are still in a really, really steep... As you can see, the steepness of this move is insane. It's really steep. If there are moves like this steep, there is a high chance that they can break levels like this. You need this daylight lamp. It works wonders for me, really. So it's connected with the real time, and as soon as outside it's getting daylight. It's starting the day also with the light, right? Got it. So we are breaking through this level. Level is broken. Man, what's wrong, Yuna? Outside it's snowing. It's crazy. It's snowing insanely outside, guys. Yeah. Was denn? What do you want? What do you want? Hmm? What do you want? You want my attention? You want my love? What is it? You want to play? So price is pushing further down. Nice 5-minute candle closure. You have those neon lights, look like Turkish disco. Yes, of course, it's a Turkish disco here, bro. What are you talking about, man? This neon lights is like something the streamer does. Disco, disco. Disco, disco. Look, I changed the lights now. Oh, no, I'm not changing the lights. Never mind. Let your cat does the trade for today. Yuna, are you done for trading? Like, are you ready for trading today? Sir, buy now. Sir, I'm not sure if we buy now, man. I don't know. Sir, should we buy now? I don't know, man. This is possible. Can we buy now, sir? I don't know, Bird. Sir, please. Buy now, sell now? Buy now. Sell now. Abhishek, what's up, Abhishek? Sure, buy now, please. No, we need to sell merch, sir. There's support. There's support and there's our level. We have to buy now, sir. Trust me, please. So we expect some news. We expect some moves soon. Come on. We had this aggressive push in the past soon as we dipped inside the zone, and is the same just in here. Maybe we're going to take a little buy order here with a nice stop loss. Just depending on how the market is going to react to the zone, because we expect a ranging market. That's what I think. New York still didn't open. London is making this sideways move. So let's see how the market is going to react to this. But we are still really steep, man. I want to see clear buying information before making this decision here. Full porting new account today. Just kidding, bro. I told you, Abhishek, you have to be able to tank multiple losses, as me. So 2 minutes to go for the 5-minute candle. Let's check the 15 minutes. Also 2 minutes. So in the next 2 minutes, is going to be a new 15-minute candle, which can be the reaction that we expect. 1 minute is called closing slight bullish. And there's mostly, guys, mostly before we're going to reverse at this point, there's mostly, not every time, but mostly, there is a candle that is pushing like really fast down and getting rejected really fast also. It's like jumping on a trampoline. You know what I mean? That's what I want to see. But it's not necessary to see. But, you know, so many times I see exactly this move. They are just dipping in like really fast and get rejected really fast. And this is a nice confirmation for me that I know, okay, maybe we have a touchdown now. Like, you know, the knife stopped falling. Ah no, bro, I spoke about the daylight lamp. It's about 40 euro at Amazon. It's waking your body up with sunlight spectrum. It's called Tageslichtlampe in German. Oh, what, man? Sounds great, bro. You know German stocks are rising? Okay, guys. 22 seconds to go. We are really steep, guys. Red followers and news in 1 hour. I know. You see this? You see this reaction at the 5 minute? You saw that? You saw that? You saw that, guys, right? You saw that. This jump from here, like, instantly shot up. You see this kind of reaction here. You see this. You see this candle. Look at this now. The new 50-minute candle opened here. Okay. But we are really close to the previous one. So, no early decisions here, guys. No early decisions. We're going to chill for now. Okay? What I want to see now, which will be perfect, guys, is this move. Candle is going up, closing bullish, going down, and closing at the 50% mark of the previous move for the continuation to the upwards move. And then we just have this level above to break. Because we are really strong bullish right now. Just with this candle. 5 minutes. Let's wait. Let's wait how this is going to close. If this is just going to be like trying and then going back down. But this is a support and resistance strategy here. Early buyers are entering already the market here right now. But I want a clear confirmation that they are finished with their down push. Because this range between these two moves here is really close to each other. You see? Like up and we went down. And we still have really big candles. And it's really early to say any decision here because we are about to crack this level. This level is really important because it's the moving average level here. And the higher time frames. We are breaking through it again. So much foolish moves in the market. Look at this. In the 5-minute candle, we went all the way up, went down. We're back down. Let's check the 1 minute. Yeah, like we are just on it. We are just on it, guys, looking for sells. I think this is going to go even more down here. Really squishy today, man. Really squishy to make a trading decision today. Let's see, the 30 minutes is breaking through this level here. through this EMA line. We are like fully inside the zone. And now it's depending how strong is the zone. Can we... Nah, we're breaking through. We are breaking through. You see this? We are breaking like completely through it. Yeah, we are breaking through. Congratulations to Autrinho, who's already in the... Who's already on the sell. My brother Autrinho is gaining some profits right now. Thanks, bro. You're welcome, my friend. Great entry. Great entry up here. At 72 you bought, you said, no? You sold. At 70, 72 mark here in this area. $64 sell. 64 sell. Man, you are deep in profits. Great one. So really important, guys. There's one key rule I have in my trading. You know, it's really risky to go and hold yourself on a already running train, you know, and this is for me a running train. It's risky because when we had the nice entry, we had like low risk. Like if we entered somewhere here, okay, we was already in break even and we was already deep in profits. But to entering this with the emotion of FOMO, means fear of missing out, is really risky. That's one thing that I learned from a mentor, is never catch a falling knife. And this for me is a falling knife currently, okay? I'm going to wait until this knife stopped falling. Like end with this down push. Because we are like already really long in a down push, you know? So we are getting some reactions now on the market, guys. We slipped through it and we're getting strong reactions, okay? Strong reactions, but it's still depending how this is going to play out here. We're getting a strong reaction with this 1 minute. These 2 candles at this down level, I really do like. And in the 5 minute, I want to see that we're closing like this bullish and not bearish again, but... Two minutes 30 to go. Okay, guys, no financial advice at this point. I'm going to buy this just in here with low risk, guys. We're making this with low risk, putting the stop loss down here and ranging up these levels, these highs, okay? Gold buy now. Let me buy some positions. I like this. I like this reaction the 5 minute candle is doing here. Low risk, guys. Low risk. So 48, 44, 48, 48, 50, 52, and then we're going for this beautiful 65 mark. And the stop loss we are putting down below this level, let's say at the 40 mark. 440. Okay. Let's put the alarm at 48 because we have our first take profit at 48. We are just about to hit the 48 mark. Take profits at 48. Oof, fast one, guys, fast one. We hit take profit 1 just like this, but it's still not confirmed everything. With the up push, TP1, like where's my entry? Like, yeah, I'm pushing up. 46, my entry was at 46 somewhere. Yeah. Great. So TP1 is hit. Let's put the 50 mark in also for TP1. Let me mark out these levels now here. $46, $48 is just here. We hit that 48. We didn't hit 50 now. We're going for 52. So TP1 is hit already. We're getting an insane reaction right now. But soon as we are not closing below the previous candle, I'm feeling really comfortable with this one. And the 65 mark is up here, which is like insane when we get to this level. TP4 just up here. Okay. So let me put this like this. TP1 like really close to each other because we have like this white window. Okay. Let's check out the 30 minutes time frame because I want to see the 30 minute real quick. The 30 minute, we have a nice reaction. You see this in the 30 minute? You see this? 30 minute went all the way down here. And look at this insane rejection candle. Like when we close low, like positive, this will be a really, really great entry for me. Really great entry, guys. Okay? So So 52, 52 and 65. Setting everything up. Setting the stop losses. And we are shooting up. And we are shooting up, family. Beautiful. Come on, hit that 50 mark for us. We have a nice breakout of the steep downtrend. Great stuff here. Great job, guys. TP2 is hit, boys. TP2 is hit. God bless us. And this beautiful entry that we catched here. TP2 is hit. I am going full break even, boys and girls. I'm going full break even here. We are shooting direction of TP3. Vier, sechs, acht, acht. Beautiful entry. I like this. So, break even is set. Zero risk, guys. Decent profits already in. At night, yeah, exactly. So congratulations already for the rest. We are just hitting TP3, about to hit it at 52. Yes, we hit it. Yes, TP3 is hit also. Congratulations for that TP3 smashed. Beautiful entry, guys. Beautiful entry. Really lovely. Beautiful. TP3 hit. Let's go for this beautiful TP4 mark up there. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. I'm happy with that. Winning streak we can change to 2. I want to level up again with you guys. Great one, blessed day. Yes, guys, blessed day. Look at this. We are shooting up, still in a position with the last one. Beautiful thing, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. We are so blessed, guys. We are so blessed. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Look at this. Patience is key, as I tell. So most traders, they are having like FOMO, which is fear of missing out. They're dipping into the zone and then I need to buy because we are already here. So what happened is also the early buyers who went in here got liquidated because most of stop loss in this position actually sitting in here. So we waited for a clear move. We waited for a clear breakout, guys. For a clear change of character with strong buying information. And what we can see here, this is buying information. Look at these three candles, you know? We had a really long steep down move. Then we had this overshoot bullish engulfing candle that closed above the previous candle, okay? Then we had the second indicator and the 30-minute time frame. Look at this beautiful closure. We went for this moving average line. We went all the way down until here. And within the 30 minutes, in the last minutes, it went all the way up and closed bullish. Like there is no better indication for us, guys. There is no better indication for us to making here a buying decision. Trading can be that easy, boys. Beautiful reaction, man, so far. Let's see if you're going to hit that TP4. And let's check out the 50% mark real quick. So our down move start not here, it started here. So let's measure this out. Let's measure this out. We are in the mid-range of this 50% mark, which can indicate for reverse still, okay? We are inside the 50% mark, and as you can see, market is slowing down right now. It won't go over last. TP4 is max. Max, I think. It will be beautiful, man. Like, TP4 is a really great position, in my opinion, because we are in this level here. Like, when we have like this buying indication, we have to break this moving average. Still can break it. Still can break it, because we are still in a ranging market. As you can see here, we're going sideways. And a sideways means also that we can still hit this level up here before we make a continuation. And in 30 minutes, New York is going to open, and then it's depending on you guys. When I'm setting the take profit goals, you're not necessarily needed to take exactly my same take profit goals. The most important thing I'm giving you is a direction, guys, in trading. You know? This is the most important thing. I gave you a direction. If you close it at TP1 or not, it's depending on you. If you're closing it at TP2, it's depending on you. On TP3, it's depending on you. Or if you don't even close it and wait until it hits TP4, it's depending on you. I'm trading my strategy and I'm giving you directions, guys. So it's fully depending on you where you're going to close your trades. What is fitting and working for you best. For me, it's working like this. Taking TP1, TP2, TP2 and the 3, making profits, making break even. We have news today. Could also go to 4,500. I remember a day with super similar market. It went to 4,504 and then dropped like $100. But just a suggestion, yes. Like, there's a lot of things possible in the market. Beautiful shot, guys. Like, really happy. I'm really happy with the setup. Like, this one was a really beautiful setup. How long do you trade? Oh, bro, I'm 32 years old now. I started with 18 years old. As soon as I hit 18 years, I already started with trading, but with binary options. I was looking for indicators and stuff. Like, it's a wild time, man. It was a wild time. Trading now like some more than 4 years, 5 years, like actively. And it took me a lot of time, man, to come to this position where I'm profitable and comfortable with every decision I do. But, you know, the most beautiful part was when I realized that I made it. When I realized, bro, your strategy is working out. This was the first time when I had the demo account. And I was trading with the demo account just to test and see my strategy. And it was working out. Like, I made me a $50,000 account with the demo one. And I just traded, like, you know, when I had time, every day I checked the charts. I was like, okay, here buy, here sell. And boop, boop, boop. 1 month later, I made from this 50,000, 72,000, like 22,000 profit. This was the first time I was like, man, did I really do this or did I have luck? And then I tried again and again. And I win and win again and again. Sometimes, of course, I lose also. But in the long term, I started to grow and I was like, bro, you made it. You made it. Now you have to become comfortable with the live accounts, because this was the next challenge. Then I started to trade more with the live accounts. I was getting nervous. I was blowing out accounts. I was like, man. Until I came to a point that I said, like, okay, I don't give a fuck anymore if I'm going to lose. I need to trade this style that I don't give a fuck anymore if I lose. If I lose, I don't give a fuck. I go off the charts. I lost. And I go and deal with my other business. Okay, I do my stuff. Go to the sport or... You know, when you have this capability and this level, then you're starting to getting profitable, guys. Like, when you really don't care anymore about losing. When you don't sit there, scratch your head like, ah, fuck, I lost. Ah, I lost 500. This was the real crack, the key for me. It's the emotional part, man. And the background that you have in your mind. Bro, we have to be someone. We want to be someone. We want to prove everyone wrong. We want to prove this people wrong who was telling us in the past, like, man, you are dreaming too much. Man, if it's be that easy, everyone will do it. And always this negative comments. There's also one thing I can give you to you guys. Stop talking with people about your business. Like people you don't trust. Don't talk about your success. Just don't talk about it. Keep it for you secretly. And this secret is going to be your energy. Like the primary energy core, you know, where you growing. And like if you keep it more secret, it's better. And also for the brain, guys, it's really important when you go shoot out to the world and say like, yeah, I'm gonna do this and I'm going to profitable, I'm going to be this and this and this, and you're talking so much about this, your brain getting signals that you are thinking that you reach already your goal, but you didn't, because you are here way too far already and telling people this. You have to keep it until you hit that targets, then you can talk about it. First hit your targets, first hit your take profit before you're telling the people that you're going to hit the take profit targets. You know what I mean? These are some really high mindset shit I'm giving you guys. Like, crucial. And also one thing that helped me a lot. Soon as you start to ignore what people think about you, you're going to grow, man. You're going to grow. Like, you need to learn to ignore what anyone is thinking about you. Like, if I am posting reels, for example, before I had problems posting reels because showing myself so much in the internet and stuff like this, I was like, what they gonna think about me, what my friends are gonna think about me. And now I'm thinking like, I don't give a fuck anymore. Look at their lives, look at my life. I already told everyone that I'm gonna be a millionaire by summer. Okay, maybe then you have a high manifestation thing, and I hope we're going to manage this, Jerry. But this year, Jerry, is going to be our year. This year is going to be our year, bro. And also the year of war. So I don't know if I'm going to be happy like getting a millionaire this year and World War III starting. Like, come on. Come on. So we see here the candle is getting weaker. What I want to see is now this candle is going to close above the previous one. This will be really nice. Otherwise we can reverse here in this level. So we have this level here. You see this mark? This is the previous daily low mark, guys. This line, as you can see how perfectly it's got rejected by this level, which is an indication that we're going to sell more, like that we can go bearish. We need to crack this level, this line here, and close above it. I can show you the daily one. You see? It's this line. It's just this line. So let's make this happen. $65 mark. Bot is looking really weak. Okay, be right back, guys. So. Do you trade prop firms? Currently, I'm trading prop firms at FDMO, brother, because I'm still living in Germany and make totally no sense with taxes to trade own capital. Because in Germany, you also have to taxes your losses. Like, you have to pay taxes for your losses, which is insane, man. And as soon as we're going to reach a level, I'm going to move out here from Germany. Maybe Cyprus, maybe Malta. Any place which is better with taxes, I'm going to move to. And leave this country. That's what I'm planning currently. Maybe Dubai also. There's also a high chance for Dubai. Like one of these three. Dubai, Malta, or Cyprus is in my mind right now. Okay, I want to move to Cyprus or Thailand next year. Man, Thailand is also a nice option, but Thailand have also taxes. I check already. I also check already for taxes in Thailand, but Thailand is high, man, with taxes. %, it's okay. Cyprus is 0, yeah. Cyprus is crazy, bro. No taxes. Cyprus is crazy, but I am not sure if Cyprus is that beautiful, man. And if I'm living in Thailand, then we have also a different time frame. Like, we sitting with the times is a little bit complicated, you know? Trading New York session or London session. I can check this really quick. Yeah, Thailand is night now, you know? It's 1950 in Thailand currently. So, would be also cool, you know? I mean, it's possible, man. Having a nice day in Thailand all day long and then coming back to the desk at this time at 8 and trading a little bit, man. I mean, it's also really cool. Doing so much for your mental health during the day. Doing sport, go swim, drive with the motorcycle, having nice food and coming back to the charts. Completely calm, man. And making nice trading decisions. My cat is going breakout, crash out in the background. Let's check out this 30-minute time frame once again. 30-minute closed really bullish. Going to close in but the 1 hour is weak currently, man. The 1 hour is weak currently with the nice reaction on this lower level here. 4 hour is really bearish, but it's making its way up. Your cat having mental breakdown? Yeah, I think so. I bought their mouse. She's hunting the mouse like crazy. So we're getting pushed more and more down. As you can see, this level here is really strong, becoming closer to our break even. We have 6 minutes to go for New York session. So London made this crazy push. Well, yeah, 3,500 pips move from London. Guys, I have to leave. Have a great one. Thanks, Onur. You're welcome, my brother. Thank you so much for joining and tuning in. See you tomorrow, guys. Thanks, bro. Take care, guys. Is it gonna hit break even for minutes 2? Yes, possible. Definitely. There's a chance that it's going to hit break even, yes. Maybe they're gonna form a double bottom here. Pushing down and to grab some liquidity. It's possible, of course. So last 3 minutes. Yeah, my break even is already hit with the last position I had. Break even hit from these guys. Break even hit for me. Oh god. Okay, guys. Let's check out the New York session move. And then I think I'm going to end the live stream for today. We are live for 1 hour. It's fine. We made some decent profits. TP3 hit. Nice entry today. All right, win streak 2 and tomorrow will be 3. Yes, let's see. Let's see. There's no promise for anything, but we are keep going our way up. Yeah, they're going for some liquidity here. Let me clean up a little bit. Okay, I will go now. See you tomorrow. Yes, Jerry, see you tomorrow, buddy. My broody, thanks for tuning in. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. For everyone who coming in, checking our streams, checking the trades we do. Remember, as soon as we hit 250 members in the Telegram group, the group is going to get closed. We're going to have LTA access for everyone. The first 250 are going to get access to my Discord channel and also a lifetime access to my signals. Make sure to claim your spot before it's too late. And we see each other tomorrow, guys. Love is going out. Bye-bye.